Hello everyone, Dark Dimensions Haunted House here, and today's video is a how-to video of building haunted house walls out of black plastic to a recessed ceiling. Haunters prefer using wooden walls for haunts, but if you're doing a smaller haunt for a school fundraiser, or maybe a home or garage haunt, then the black plastic walls are the best approach and for your budget. These interior walls cost about $50, and we just need black plastic rolls, 1x2 wood, staples, zip ties, and black duct tape. First, all you do is roll out your black plastic. Now you just place your 1x2s over the top of the black plastic, and then you fold over. Go ahead and staple your black plastic to your 1x2s. Now add a layer of black duct tape to reinforce the plastic to the staples. The last step, push up the ceiling tiles and try to avoid getting fiberglass all over you, as it's very itchy. Then put a zip tie over the recessed metal structure. Now you make a hole and you run the zip ties through and you fasten the 1x2s to the recessed ceiling. Don't forget to trim the bottom excess plastic for tripping or stepping all over the plastic walls. I hope this video has helped you with your haunted house event. It's super easy and a fun way to do a haunted house. Now just add some scary props, some spooky lighting, creepy audio, and some scare actors, and you're ready. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This is Dark Dimensions Haunted House.